Penguin, and today we're going to do a back to school celebration. And I'm going to do this Shining Fates Pikachu V-Box and two Battle Styles packs. I haven't been uploading a lot, so I'll try and upload it. I'll try and upload a lot more. So I'm doing the Pikachu box first. I have this big Pikachu Pokemon card and this small one. And so there's 4 packs, so I'm going to open them now. So I'm going to do so it's a white code card, and I'm going to do Dark Energy, Rusted Shield, Ball Guy, Dartrix, Choodle, Rowlet, Trapinch, Coughing, Shanks, Celebi, Reverse Hollow, and Frostmoth holographic. Poison Energy, Dartrix, Rusted Sword, Floatzel, Morpeko, Choodle, Rowlet, Trapinch, Coughing, Shiny Greedent, and Decidueye holographic. Oh my. So we're starting off with a Steel Energy, Luxio, Floatzel, Team Meowthowel, a Choodle, which I've had on all of the first packs before I had did the card trick. Morpeko, Eevee, Grookey, Snom, Shiny Arrokuda, and a Ditto V. Steel Energy, Rusted Sword, Ball Guy, Tropius, Coughing, Snom, Glossifleur, Cufant, Spinarak, Coughing, and Zarude. So now I'm going to do the battle styles. White code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Girder, Durant, Camping Gear, Horsey, Mankey, Mawile, Single Strike, Formantis, Remoraid, Frailish Reverse Hollow, and Kingdra holographic. So this is my last pack, and it's a Dark Energy, EXP Share. I see something at the back. Carkol, Dottler, Formantis, Remoraid, Cubone, Pawniard, Houndour, Doublade, Reverse Hollow, and Empoleon V again. I guess this is why it was called Ice Penguin, I guess. So, I never expected to pull another Ice Penguin, and maybe the next video that we make is going to be a funny one. And bye!